I tried to take you to a world that was different than yours. I opened opportunity, you should've opened the door. And once I drew the line, I had you asking, who am I? Yeah, I got the password. Y'all front like this world ain't fucking backwards. These rappers need their daddies, hoes need their daddies. That's why they make some mingle and get their lawn, but y'all can pass me with that bullshit. You tryna fill this void inside a bottle, this void inside a blunt, this void inside a model, but your daddy's what you want. But you looking in the wrong place. Y'all idolizing lives, so y'all looking in the wrong face. Y'all do it all the time.